Here we have a USB 3 port, and here we have
amplifier,
a tuning knob that we can use or customize as for audio, for zoom, for anything like that. And it got quite a weight, good sleeky design, looks like premium. And if I type to it, get the sound of it, let's see how it sounds. Here we will see how to remove a key from this keyboard. You will get a link in the description for this Jugaad. This Jugaad is used to pull up the keys and make your keyboard. So how you can place it is quite simple, and that's how you can pull key, and then key if you wish. We got other keys as well, like here I can put a Windows one here and then also customize it to use at Windows. And here you can see these are brown keys, Cherry MX brown. And yeah, you cannot just pull it up. It will require this Jugaad to open it up, not just your fingers. You can't do that. You will have to use this. Let's connect this Keychron cable. Nice.